My name's James Roddy. I currently live in Essex and I'm very much a Porsche enthusiast. My dad, my granddad, and a majority of my family worked and still work within the automotive industry, and therefore I was surrounded by cars from a very young age and for as long as I can remember. Being such a meticulous person, I'm very obsessed with attention to detail. That search was not exactly easy when you're looking for a sort of 19, 20-year-old car. Yes, there's many of them out there, but finding one that met my requirements was not at all easy. I think the Porsche community is very special, and I say that because it's a very inclusive and a very welcoming community. Whether you're driving a 1950s 356 worth several £100,000, or a Boxster, or anything in between, everyone is super welcoming, super friendly, and it's just a really great community to be part of that I really do enjoy. I started using Design 911 shortly after the purchase of my Porsche, and for me it's been mainly sort of accessories. It's also convenient because Design 911 are based quite close to where I live in Essex, and the service they provide is great. As soon as I arrived at Paragon and the car was sitting out the front of the showroom, I pretty much knew immediately that this was going to be the car for me. I could just see it looked a very, very well maintained, very straight looking car, and it's clearly been very well looked after. It was reassuring for me to know that Paragon have looked after it for several years, I had a short test drive, but this was the one that was the right car for me. I collected the car on the 26th of March 2022. That was an incredible experience and probably one of the best purchasing experiences of my life. As I said, Paragon prepare their cars so well. For a 19-year-old car at the time, it looked like it had just rolled off the production line. And it was a really special day because I had a group of friends come along in their 911s, and then we all kind of went off for a drive from the showroom, and it was a real beautiful day. So certainly a day I will always remember. Lastly, I'd just say that I think that for me the 996 generation has always been an attractive car. I might be in the minority there because I think a lot of people thought it was the least attractive, obviously mainly down to the shape of the headlights. But I love the shape of the headlights, either on the Gen 1 car or the Gen 2 car, and I really think it's getting more and more attractive and desirable with age. And I also envisage it becoming, like the sort of ugly duckling that turns into the beautiful swan, where one day I think it's going to be extremely sought after, and people are really going to want to purchase a 996. I don't ever intend to sell mine, and I've kind of got an itch that needs scratching to get into a GT car. So the kind of sights are swaying towards a 996 GT3.